Before we begin, grab a cleaning solution. I have a bottle of rubbing alcohol here in this spray bottle. And you want to spray the area and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Here I have some 3M double-sided tape. This will be provided with your package. So here we're applying the double-sided tape. You want to apply it on the corner of the lip. You want to make sure it's on this flat part right here. So not up here, not down here, just on the flat part. When you receive yours, you will have a protective film on both sides. Here I have them stripped away, but what you want to do is strip one side and then leave the other side with the film on there. You're going to mark the center like I have it here. And then what you want to do is line it up with the center of the badge. And then you want to clean the part that's going to be attaching to the car. Wipe it down. And then here I'm removing some of the red film that's to protect the sticky side. Just peel it back a little bit, just like I'm doing here. And then once you have everything lined up where you want it, you're going to push the spoiler down and then remove the rest of the film.